Retriever is a leading AI web agent that beats even OpenAI's operator with a human assistant. You can easily use it to automate your sales and marketing pipeline. Say you want an AI web agent that is able to go out, get a list of prospects, get links to their contact info such as email, LinkedIn, whatever, what have you, and do all of this in the parallel while you're doing your own task. So while it was executing, you could have just kicked it off and just went to your other tabs, done your own action. And so it already got these for each of those profiles, their LinkedIn link and the profiles and their emails. And now let's say I want to, for each of these profiles, I want to get their first job out of college, first their undergrad college, as well as like a personalized intro message. So we can just with AI able to enrich all of these enrich your Google Sheet with web data and similar to Clay, but doing it with your own browser very cost effectively. So with our free tier, like you can bring in Google AI Studio API key and use all of this for free, do and automate away your daily tasks. So for all of these profiles, it has opened up LinkedIn, their LinkedIn profiles, and will get the required information of their undergrad college as well as their first job out of college, like do the necessary clicks of clicking through on education, experience, all of these things. And it has already wrapped up some of the things. So yeah, you could do your own thing, come back to it when you're ready, and then kick off like other. Yeah, you could have just closing it out. If you don't want to pay attention to what the agent is working on. And yeah, so once we have all of this information, then we can call like a HubSpot. So I had this HubSpot tool of adding a contact that I was able to do just by going to my HubSpot page and just asking Retriever, create a tool to load to HubSpot. And okay, so the profiles are written, their job, their description, personalized message, everything's here. I have all of their job details as well. And now I just want to load these. So as you can see, I should have my hotspot here. It's empty, and Retriever will be able to use this Google Sheet as context to construct HubSpot calls and execute them all in the browser. Your API key never leaves your browser. So it's iterating through and calling the HubSpot tool for each of the contacts listed here. And we can actually see it, yeah, in real time as the contacts get loaded. So with just a sequence of prompting, you're able to do the sequence from end to end, right? Like you wanted for these people to get their details of their email, LinkedIn, as well as like personal bio data and maybe some personalized intro message introducing them, and then also load them to your CRM for future reference. And you're able to just do all of that with natural language. And this is so like you can, this is also demonstration of Retriever's on the fly tool generation. So I had just been on this page and asked it to create a tool to load a contact to HubSpot, and that's how I actually got this tool to come up. And I didn't code it at all, and I was then able to use it just off the bat for this sheet. I'm really excited to see coming all of Retriever's capability to do web automation, data enrichment from web data, as well as like making it super easy to call APIs just from your browser, really automate people's lives. Thank you so much for trying it out.